So very good evening to my all dear friends from the different states of my country. And I welcome you on our own show, Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers. And we have been conducting this online show for many days and I have seen changes. I have seen confidence in you. And I have also got a lot of confidence and benefits by arranging such type of meetings on Zoom. So I think also you have got confidence.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Definitely.
Every day we communicate here, we discuss on the different topics, and we just try to practice our English. Okay, so Akash Rana is back here, and Sai Kumar, Ranjana Goswami, Ambika Sharma, Pankaj Metawla, Sujit. Okay, and Sandeep Dhur. Okay, so we all learn English language to communicate with the people, and this is our conversational meeting. So let's start with what is conversation today.
Festival, sports.
So what do you think about what is communication? Let's start with the communication then. What is communication? Anybody can tell me what is communication?
Yeah, communication means like way of expressing our feelings,
Okay.
thoughts,
As per my knowledge, sir,
and
just share your experience to each other, or
Yeah.
share your knowledge to each other.
Sir, for me, a talk between two or more people, any topic.
Anybody wants to say what is communication?
Sir, may I?
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
A talk between two or
Yes.
more people,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
any topic.
Good evening, sir.
That
Good
is
evening,
the
sir. Good
thing.
evening, all of you.
Yeah, good evening. Okay, someone is making, there is a disturbance. Please turn off your audio. You are not speaking. Please turn off your audio, my dear friends. Hello. Please turn off your audio. Yeah, too much noise. Too much noise is there. And we have very limited time today. Yeah, share. What is communication?
I want to speak here.
No one is here to speak.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, tell.
Okay. According to my views, communication is the via through we express our kind of thoughts, and we get the person who is trying to speak some feeling, but it is not necessary that it is expressed with language, or can be expressed through.
Sir, I'll tell you.
Okay, please turn off. You don't know how to turn off your audio, my dear friend. How many times should I tell you? Someone is disturbing too much. Look at that. Oh my God. Hello.
I think Priyanka Rani audio is open, sir. Everyone except her. Priyanka Rani, can you please mute your mic?
Yeah. Who wants to speak? Now turn on your audio. Oh my God. Who is here? Yeah, start. Okay, you all are sharing about, actually I asked you about what is communication and you are, I think, telling me about conversation. Okay, communication means, you want to exchange your ideas, your feeling, your knowledge by using any tool, for example, by you speaking, by writing, or by using your gesture, body language. That is communication. Okay, and our today's topic is different, conversation. Look at here. Can you see on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, a conversation.
Yes, sir.
Again, you have started your noise. Please turn off your audio. I think Sandeep Dul's audio is making too much noise. Okay, so conversation.
No, sir. No, 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 sir. No.
Okay, sorry then. Sorry, okay. Sorry for that. So,
Okay, sir.
okay, conversation. A talk, especially an informal one, between two or more people in which news and ideas are exchanged. So this is called the conversation. And every day we have a conversation in English on Zoom. Here is the example. Every day I have a conversation with you on different topics. To improve our English, our conversation is always in English. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So today I want to give you a chance to communicate here, to have a conversation with each other. Okay. So I also told you I will form the group. These are our topics. What is conversation? Let's have a conversation. Today we have a conversation on these topics. So today all speakers have a conversation on different topics like festivals, sports, hobbies, and English language. I will form a group of 2 speakers, and in this group, one person asks some questions on one specific topic. So today you have to choose your topic. You cannot choose 2 topics, okay? So if you choose sport, then you have to make 5 questions on sport. If you are choosing hobbies, then you have to make 5 questions on hobbies. Is it clear for you, Sai Kumar?
Yes.
Yes.
And at least you have to make 5 questions on one particular topic. Okay, here I want to give you the example how to form questions. Okay, I have chosen this topic, festivals. So which festivals are celebrated in your country? Which is your favorite festival? Why? Why do you celebrate this festival? Is it a religious festival? How? You have to tell a story about that, or any legend you can share here. How do you celebrate this festival? So these are examples how you can do it. So let me start with Amit's honor. So how can you do it? Amit, are you ready, Amit?
Yes.
So
Thank you, Prakashji. Let me speak here. I'm so glad that you gave me that opportunity to speak in front of all people present here. And I will express my views on language English, because it is our desired thing that we want to get fluency in that language. So English is the most sought language in the country, especially in India.
yeah,
Either I have been to many countries in my life. I have been to Europe or Southeast Asia, but never I got that desire. I didn't got that much hunger to speak English. Everybody is happy to speak native language. In
yeah,
Vietnam, nobody know how to speak English. In Thailand also, it is a more developed country than India, but they don't have enough knowledge to speak English. But in India, we don't have confidence on our own language. We want to speak English. That's why everybody is running behind English. And yes, one should have confidence in English, because nowadays it is phenomenon in our society.
yeah.
Am I true?
Yes, Amit. So actually, English is our need. Without English, we cannot make progress in India. And actually, we are very creative people, and we want to tell our
Indians are
things, our ideas in English to different people. That's why. And India is a very huge country. That's the big main problem. And we all have different country. We all have different languages in our country. So only
Yes.
one is a linking language. If you know English, then you can communicate with every people of our country, not only for our countries, but you can also communicate with the foreign people. So
Yes,
that's why we have
that's
to learn English language.
why
Okay.
we are getting ample chances in foreign services, in foreign opportunities, like our Indian guys are doing well in America, in Europe. They are doing very well. You know, many people are doing tremendous job over there. They are heading these companies like Microsoft, Google, and PepsiCo. They are heading. But
Yeah.
in my view, yes, we must know enough knowledge how to speak, how to express ourselves in English. Uh, Either we know that we should have enough confidence in our own language, but we don't have. We are not proud of our mother tongue. It is that.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so Amit, I want to demonstrate how to uh, how to communicate with the people. Means let's have a conversation by asking this question. So my first question is for you: which festivals are celebrated in your country? So now you have to answer me. Yes, Amit.
Uh,
Now this is your question.
we all know that the Diwali is the most celebrated festival in our country, and every region of our country celebrate this festival. Not only our country, either
Excuse me,
it
Amit. No,
is
no, no.
celebrated.
Excuse me, excuse me. My question is: which festivals are celebrated in your country? That is my question.
Festivals. Okay, sorry.
You can see on the
Like
screen
Diwali.
also. Can you see on the screen which festivals
Yes,
are celebrated in your country?
Diwali, Holi, uh, mm, Mahashivratri, Ganesh Mahotsav. Uh, these are the festivals which are celebrated in our country.
Okay, very nice. Superb. So, which is your favorite festival and why? You have to prove it by giving
Favorite
reason. Which
festival
is
is
your favorite
Diwali.
festival and why?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
Okay, so we have a conversation. You have to explain everything in detail.
Yeah,
Why? The question is why? Why do you like this festival very
yeah.
much?
Because Diwali is the festival of light. We exchange our greetings to each other, to our relatives, to our family members, to our friends. And this festival gives us learnings about the good things. Uh, Ram came back to Ayodhya after winning Ravan, after a great victory, victory over the wrong thing, over the bad evils, to establish the dharma in the society. So this festival is celebrated
Okay, so
with light.
you have covered all questions. Only last question is left. How do you celebrate this festival? You have already told us Diwali is your favorite festival. Then how do you celebrate this festival? Please explain it.
Yes, I do live in Jaipur, and my mother is living in my native place, which is 130 kilometers from here. And we all, with my children, we all go to my mom and we celebrate this festival with them. We burn crackers over there, and we exchange sweets. We celebrate this festival with my all relatives and family.
Okay, so nice explanations, and we had a nice conversation. And I had a nice conversation with Amit, and I asked some questions about his favorite festivals and on festivals. So you have answered nicely. So thank you very much, Amit, for joining us
Thank
on
you
this
for
online show. Okay.
get entry over here. I would like to have joining it again.
Okay, thank you. So now our session is open. Now you can select any topic and you have to frame the questions. If you are ready with your questions, then just raise your hand. Then I will give you partner to ask the question. Then we will have a conversation, okay? Today's session is quite different than every day. Today you will ask questions and one person will answer you. So who is ready with the question? Just raise your hand if you are ready with your questions. No one is ready. Yes. Okay. So Akash Rana, this is your turn to ask the questions, and I think okay, Sai Kumar is ready to answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sai Kumar will answer your questions. So just explain which topic you have chosen to ask questions for the conversation. Start with that and ask the question to Sai Kumar.
Sir, I choose. Can I audible, sir, please?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Hello.
Yeah, you
Yes,
are
I
audible.
can hear you.
Yes.
I choose topic sports.
Okay. So now you have to
So
ask the
my
questions.
first
Yes.
question is which type? Yes, sir. My first question is to which type of sport you would like to play? Hello.
Yeah, your audio is breaking. I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, repeat it then.
Uh, Which type of sports you would like to play?
My favorite my favorite sport is cricket. Like when I was around like 12 years old, I used to play with my friends. So like we used to get up early in the morning, and we used to gather at one place, and we go to the ground and we play the cricket with them. Like every Sunday, we plan to assemble in one particular place, and from there we go to ground.
Oh, that's the good.
Cricket.
Uh,
Yeah.
in this sport, you are batsman, bowler, yeah, good fielder, yeah, captain. What you would like to play a very good role in your team? What type of role?
Yeah, I'm an all-rounder, I must say.
All rounder. But what you
Yeah.
like most, like batting or bowling?
I like bowling.
Bowling. You are fast
Yeah.
bowler or
No, I'm a spinner.
spinner? Oh, that's good. Good. Spinner are play with mind and play with batsman mind because they throw ball some place and ball goes to another place. So that's good. That's good. Uh, what type of lesson you learn from this team play cricket?
I didn't get
Can you
you.
understand my
Please come
question properly?
again? No. Can you please keep your
What
mic
type of
somewhat
lesson?
far?
Okay, keep your mic
Okay,
far.
okay,
Akash,
okay.
Rana, keep your mic far. It's very close. That's why it's create
Yes, sir. Yes,
disturbance.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Which type of lesson you learn from your cricket team? Because you are playing
Yeah,
in a team, so many lessons you learn like a cooperation, leadership, etc. So type of uh, what type of lesson you learn from your team? And oh, I think you understand my question.
yes, I have. Like as everyone know that if we play like a team, definitely like instead of playing individual, if we play with the team, then we will get the good result. So the entire team should be united, and as everyone know that if we play with the team, like definitely we will get the good result.
Okay.
Hope I answered your
So
question.
Okay, over. Akash, Rana.
yes, yes, yes. I understand. Put my opinion regarding thoughts within 1 minute, sir.
Yeah,
If
okay.
you allow me.
Okay, yes.
Sir, I read your message in WhatsApp, and I decided to speak some on sports, and I give the title "Importance of Sport in Education."
Okay.
Education. When we heard this word, pictures come in our mind like our classroom, readings, books, exam competition. But sports is teach a very good lesson in our life because when you play like athletes, so like like athletes, so athlete like running, etc. So they teach us self confidence, deal with success and failure. It teach us a good mental strength. And if you play a team, so it teaches us leadership, cooperation with team, and anger management, which is very most important in our life. And overall, for sport teachers, sport help us to development our personality. So it is very important to give a sport education in childhood life. So that's sir.
Okay, very nice, Akash, Rana. Only one suggestion: just keep your microphone away
Sir,
from your
can
mouth.
I like
Yeah, Sai Kumar, what is your
like
question?
do I get a chance to ask the question?
Definitely. Okay, definitely. So now this is the time of Ranjana Goswami to ask some
Okay.
questions to Ambika Sharma. Okay, we have only
Okay.
9 members. Okay, only 8 members here. So you all will get enough chance today, Sai Kumar. Yes. So
So, sir,
yes, you
I
have to
want
ask.
to ask, yes, sir, related to hobby.
Okay.
What is your hobby, Ambika, sir?
Yes, Ambika
Ranjana,
Sharma.
good evening. Yes, sir.
What is your hobby?
Yes, my hobbies are reading novels, listening to music, um, some painting. I like painting and listening music. These guys are my hobby.
What
Reading
is your
novels,
most
music,
favorite hobby?
painting, something related
I want
to
I want to know one hobby which you like more.
Most. Which hobby do you like most? That
listening
is
to
question.
music. Listening music, that is my favorite hobby.
How long have you had? How long have you had? How long
How
have
long
you had
have you had this hobby?
I can had this hobby maximum 1 hour maximum 2 hours. Your meaning is that
How did
in
you-
a day,
Yeah, Ambika. Okay, do you have earphone,
No,
headphone?
in which
yeah,
yes
Ambika.
sir. Wait.
Okay, please use
Yes,
earphone.
yes.
It disturbs.
Okay sir, okay sir.
Okay, so Najna, you have enough time to frame some more questions on hobbies, okay? So you can ask some questions. Actually, today I want you to develop your skill of asking questions. That is also essential in the conversation, only not answering, but sometimes you have to ask the questions in the conversation. That is my main aim today. Yeah.
okay.
Yes, so
Yes, you can ask.
yeah,
You can ask
yeah,
some more
Ambika
questions.
is ready. Yeah.
So I am asking that how long have you had a hobby? Means singing. How?
Wait a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Your mean is been मतलब आप मुझसे पूछना चाह रही हो how long I can hear music like this way
Yeah.
Yeah.
what is your question I'm unable to understand अच्छा I can listen music maximum 1 to 2 hours as well as with study and also in
Okay. Ambika,
time when we are bored with
she wants to ask you, तुम्हारी hobby कब से है ये? She wants to ask that.
Yeah.
How long have you had this hobby?
Okay. This hobby is when I become something understandable till from childhood. This hobby is from childhood when I'm 5 to 6 years. Like this.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
And how did you start your hobby?
How did I start my hobby? This is very easily. Matlab, okay, I will talk about something else like reading novels. That is also start from when we are able to read something and study something. And one another that is art. When I start making paintings and at all, I love painting. When I start, that is 11 to 12 years, as well as with my school time. But after school, now the time I'm in second year graduation, I'm also doing some paintings with my study also. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any question, Ranjana Goswami? Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. I have last question.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I want to know how many hours she spend your hobby.
How much time do you spend on your hobby? This
How
is the
many
question.
hours?
Okay, means how much time? How much time do you spend on your
Okay.
hobbies?
Okay. In a day, when I'm bored from something like in my whole day, I do one painting in a week like that, and listening music. I'm daily listening music. You know, when I'm going to be bored, and when I'm doing maths question as well as I'm listening music. Something 1 hour, 1 hour
Okay, okay,
Thank you
regular.
so much.
that's all. So,
Yes.
okay, Ambika
Okay,
Sharma
thank you.
tried to answer these all questions smartly, boldly, and confidently. And they both discussed on, they had a conversation on hobbies. So now the Priyanka Rani is available with us. And okay, Sujit, ask some question to Priyanka Rani. And after that, Mr. Pankaj, be ready, okay, with your questions.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, my all of my friends.
Yeah, very good
To
evening.
whom will I ask, sir?
Yes, now you have to ask the question to Priyanka Rani.
Priyanka Rani. Okay. So my question through Priyanka Rani asks about your hobbies.
Hobby, same thing, okay.
So tell me,
Okay, okay,
tell
okay.
me,
My
what
hobbies
is your hobbies?
is my hobbies is dancing, and I do it uh, for 1 hour in a day, and I do it. I do because I want to. And next question.
Okay, next
Okay.
question.
So how many hours you are spending in a day?
1 hour actually. I
Yeah,
already said this. I spend around 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. So what is the
Yeah.
name of your dance?
Freestyle. Actually, I am doing Bollywood freestyle. Whatever I
Means
like.
whatever the Bollywood, Tollywood like that. Not fixed means rock or hip hop like that.
I like all the form of dance.
All the types you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which is your best dancer? Who is your best dancer? Sorry, my mistake.
Uh, Madhuri Dixit
Madhuri Dixit
is my
and
favorite
any
dancer, and yeah, and Hrithik Roshan also. Hrithik
okay,
Roshan.
okay. So you know Michael Jackson is a great dancer.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. I know about him, and I like also that form also.
Okay. So had you participate anywhere?
Yeah, I'll participate in many functions
Okay.
in my schools, colleges, and actually now I'm working in company, and there also I perform demand there.
Okay. And you got so many prizes also.
so have you won any prizes? His question is, have you, okay, you
Prizes,
have
yes, I
participated.
have many certificates and prizes.
Okay. So
Yes,
This is your last question, okay,
yes,
Sujit?
I
okay.
participated.
Okay, sir. So you just tell me 5 answers about your favorite dancer. Any 5 sentence explain about your favorite dancer. Maybe Madhuri Dixit, maybe Hrithik Roshan.
It's a
Why
good question.
Hrithik is
Very
best?
nice.
Why
I like
Hrithik is why best your Madhuri?
Okay. So you have to give the reason why
uh,
do you
I
like
like her
Madhuri Dixit?
moves.
Yeah.
I like her moves, face expressions, and confidence. Whenever they dance, I feel confident, and their face expressions are really very good or superb.
Okay,
Okay.
that's all. That's all. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Sujit, to ask
Thank
some
you.
questions.
Thank
I'm
you.
Priyanka.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Priyanka, I can understand this is your first meeting on Zoom. I think that's why you're a little bit nervous.
Yes, Sunny.
Okay, and
Priyanka,
there is a
don't get
network.
nervous.
I'm stammering now.
Oh.
I have a problem
Okay, no.
by word. Stammering
Okay.
problem by word.
No problem. Superb. Okay, actually there was network problem also. Okay, so now this is now this is a turn of Mr. Pankaj, and Pankaj will ask this all question to Akash Rana. Please ask some questions to Akash Rana. Okay, 2 questions to Akash Rana and 3 questions to Sai Kumar.
Okay. Good evening, Akash. Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, Akash Rana. Now,
Mr. Akash.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Okay, Mr. Akash, may I ask?
Yes, I'm audible. Yes.
Okay, so what is your hobby?
My hobby is spending time with nature.
Okay, yeah, good, nice. So tell me about something. Nature nowadays, it's a big problem with our nature. I think Corona is here. So please tell me about nature. What you like in nature most?
I would like to spend some time with nature because nature teach very good lessons. I like I put some example like a tree. A tree in the whole life of tree try to reach a highest height if it have a capacity. Same thing. Same thing. Sun is also give a good lesson like it rising and sunset. Then after, I would like to spend some time in a open area like a ground. So many tools are skin and feel better. So many things have a nature to teach us a very good lessons to do something life in new. In like that. So I would like to spend some time when I am free with nature.
Okay, so have you asked 2 questions to him, and now 3 questions to Sai Kumar.
Okay, so one more question to Mr. Akash. Akash, what is the common thing in sunrise and you like most to see sunrise and sunset? Okay, so I want to tell you, I want to know, or I want to ask you, what is the common thing in sunrise and sunset?
As at the rising time, we see sun clearly. Same in sunset, we see sun very clearly round shape.
Okay, right.
This
okay,
is the common.
I want to say something. If you allow me, sir, so I want to add something in that question.
Yeah.
I want to answer this question.
Yeah.
May I?
Yeah.
Okay. There is one common thing in the sunset and sunrise is on the both time the color of the sun are same.
Yes.
So in happiness and in sadness, we have to be like sunset and sunrise. On both situations, we have to like same color, right?
Yes. I'm very glad to hear your opinion.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
Okay, now Sai Kumar, would you like to ask questions or would you like to answer now?
I would like to ask questions.
Ask question to Pankaj. Okay, now only 2 questions, and then there will be the turn of. Okay, you can ask two more questions to Sujit. Okay, start, because we have only 4 minutes left.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Pankaj. This is Sai Kumar.
Hello.
Hi. Yes. And I want to know, like, which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
Why you choose the favorite festival as Diwali? Like, we have many festivals in India, and why do you select Diwali as your favorite?
Yeah, because this is completely belongs to our God Sri Ram, and on that day Sri Ram came to Ayodhya again, and all the people celebrate that festival by lighting their houses and their hut also. That's why it's a lighting festival. So if we light anything, then it is good for us, and everywhere lighting and lighting. So it is good to see also. And on that day, we use many of things, many sweets to eat, and like that, our entire family feeling happy on that day. That's why Diwali I like most.
Okay.
Okay. And one more question, like what are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Okay.
Yeah.
Like, are you like batting or bowling or fielding? Which one do you like?
Basically, I'm an all-rounder in cricket. I like batting, bowling, and fielding also. And my favorite batsman is Rohit Sharma, and today is his birthday. So happy birthday, Rohit Sharma!
Oh, great. Okay, yeah, that's it from my end. Thanks. Nice
Okay,
interactive.
thank you very much. Yeah, same.
Okay, we have only 1 minute left, and really, Sujit, I'm really sorry you have not got enough chance. Now,
No, sir,
Priyanka,
no,
okay,
sir, I don't mind. I
okay.
don't mind.
Priyanka Rani, ask one question to Ranjana Goswami. Priyanka Rani, ask 1 or 2 questions to Ranjana Goswami.
Hi Ranjana, I'm Priyanka, and I'd like to know about your friends.
Sorry.
I like to know about your friends.
Oh, so my friend. Okay. So there is many friend. Means my friend is. I don't know.
Okay.
What is her name?
Yeah.
Name of
Okay,
your
my
friend.
friend. So my best friend name is Dipali, and so many friend is my best friend. But yeah, who is close friend? Dipali is my best friend.
But
Dipali Singh.
is your best friend. Dipali is
Yes.
your best friend. Why?
Yes.
Why? She wants to know reason. Why?
Okay, why? Okay, because I said all thing to her. I tell her all thing like whatever problem with happen me, and I share with her, and she also share with me. So that's why I like, and she is my best friend.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, my dear friends. I have seen one common problem in all of you. You all are able to answer all questions easily, but you have little bit problem to